Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Dotboxx. So this is a monthly, it's a period subscription, but it's so much more than that. It's a self-care subscription, just great boxes. So they do have 4 different, sorry, my address is over there. And I've got my co-host. Here she is. Sorry, I'm like losing my voice. Anyway, they do have 4 different box options. It has changed. I wrote everything down because it's changed since the last time I've reviewed this. This is an established box. It's been around for a while, so if you're kind of concerned about that kind of stuff, this box is here. So they have an adult basic, an adult Dotboxx, which is like their full-size box. They have a teen basic and a teen full-size box. A portion of all their proceeds go to a women-focused charity. So I'm going to break down the prices. You select your ship date. You also select items in your box, which is really important. I keep showing my thing. This is the main box, by the way. All right. The adult basic box starts at $19.99. The adult dot, hey, psst, get out of my plant. She's in my plant. Stinker. Starts at $35.99. And if you want the essentials, or not the essentials, like the liners and the pain relievers, it's $39.99, and you know, extra things. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm doing this not well. Then there's the teen basic, which is $19.99 as well, and then the teen Dotboxx, which is anywhere from $32.99 to $36.99. When you subscribe, you're going to take a survey that personalizes the box. You select how many tampons, how many pads, what additional items, because it's a self-care item, period essentials, snacks, wipes, liner, and pain reliever. That's just in the basic. It gets 1 self-care item. But the full size, which I think that's what this is, I don't know yet because I haven't looked. I think they have, I thought I wrote it down. They have like, I want to say 4 self-care items. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. We're going to find out when we open this. This box is hands down the best period box out there. Like literally nobody else can beat it. I've done so many time of the month boxes. And this one is always just the best. It's just the best. It's just the best. All right. So let's face it together. Adult Dotboxx. So this is the adult box. So this box would start at, now obviously I didn't customize mine. I have no idea what's in here. This box would start at $35.99. And then at the high end, depending on what you choose to put in here, it will be $39.99. And then it does tell me, see, they put the little insert on the box. It's so cute. I love it. It says pull. So you can just rip it off, but I think I'm going to keep it there for now, and we'll look then, okay? All right, so something that they do that's very unique to this box is they put all your stuff in, like, they compartmentalize. It says period stuff. So in here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pads. Nope. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you'd probably, I think, also select the type of pad that you're getting. So there's 10 pads, and I'm gonna guess there's 10 tampons. Right, Swifty? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have sunburn so bad. It's awful. All right, so there's that. But wait, there's more. All right. Okay, so you have a bath candy. Contains 1 small clay bowl for mixing facial Ooh, I need one of these. Oh my goodness. So this is from a company called Bath Candy. And this is a small batch, vegan, cruelty-free, handmade, and affordable bath goodies. This is a face mask mixer. So when you use your powdered masks, where do you put them? You put them in here. I love this. Oh, I love it. And look, it's so cute. It's got like a marbled, I'm sorry. Like a marbled inside. I love it. All right. What you be? All right. Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Micellar Cleansing Towelettes. Can always use these to wipe off swatches, to wipe off sweat, whatever. I like Neutrogena products too. So that is a welcome addition. Then we've got, oh, this is this is when they say the extras. So the extras are like tea, panty liners, pain reliever, and then like heating pads. So that's what you can choose to opt for that or not. That's what that is. That's what they mean. That's all in here. They always send the Yogi Woman's Cycle, and then that other one, it's like raspberry women's tea. I always, you know, it's funny, I always forget to use it, or like when I should use it. And then I'm like, ooh, this always looks good. I haven't tried it. Haven't had this in a long time. All right. So then we have facial in a bag. Ooh, who makes this? This is from Fecund Herbals. And it has everything in here to steam. Ooh, it's a facial steam. And they also have yogi tea in here too. So there's the Texas Gypsy charcoal face mask. The Texas Gypsy... Wait, I see lip balm. Hold on, we're going to open this up. Let's get curious. Let's see. All right, so... Here it is. Here's one. This is the charcoal face mask. There's some tea. Skin Detox Rose Hibiscus. Ooh, from Yogi. I've never even heard of that one. There's a brush to paint your face in charcoal. I love that idea. Looks like a little headband. Super cute. Can always use these. And then there is a little, this is a green clay face mask. There's a lip balm, mango lip balm. That sounds yummy. Hopeful lip balm. There is, this is cool actually. This is really neat. So this is Lenora. I don't know what that is. And then this is, oh, this is an herbal facial steam. So I don't know if you guys have ever used these. You put some hot water and you put this like above it. You like a steam. And then you put like a towel over your head and you just let it come up and like caress your skin with all its essence. But I want to know what this is, this Lenora coconut facial polish. So that's what that is. Let me toss all that. Ooh, and I see the snacks. Like, don't you love how they separate everything? Isn't that cool? All right. I'm trying to do this in like a timely fashion, but also an organized fashion. All right. What are you guys doing this weekend? Do anything awesome? Going on vacation? Happy 4th of July. All right, next we have E Fruit of the Earth Vitamin E Skincare Cream. This is perfect for the summer, like when you have sunburn and stuff. Never heard of this brand. It just smells like lotion. It's nice. Ooh, it's super creamy. I like that. All right, so then we are left with the snack portion of our box. Look at all this. All right. All right, let's just go through this. So we've got some Snack Factory fruit sticks. This is apple. I love dried apple. We make it in our food dehydrator. Some Sheila G's Brownie Brittle. This is a salted caramel, my personal favorite. Then we've got Enjoy Life Seed and Fruit Mountain Mambo. What is this, like a trail mix? Ooh, it's like a granola type. Mountain Mambo. Ooh, that sounds yummy. I've never heard of that brand. Yes. Okay, next we have Emmy's Organics Chocolate Chip Organic Coconut Cookies. So these are raw. They are delicious. Emmy's Organics makes amazing food. If you see it out anywhere, pick it up. You will thank me later. And then finally, we have a full-size bag of Dove Real Cherries covered in dark chocolate. Oh my gosh, my Isabel will love these. She loves dark chocolate, and she loves all my kids, and I love fruit. So yum, yum. So that's everything that I received in my Dotboxx. Let me know what you think of this. Isn't it an amazing box? I just think it's so great. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. Don't mind all my dirty laundry over here, shoes and things like that. Oh. I will also link to Dotboxx so you can check them out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!